Are going to have a wonderful weekend. Me personally, I'm going to be by the pool the entire day. Well, I might do a little bit of thrifting, but anyways, we have to talk about one of the biggest weeks in crypto history, crypto and Bitcoin history. Why is that happening? Well, as most of you know, Bitcoin Nashville is next week. And at Bitcoin Nashville next week, former President Trump is expected to speak. And with Mr. Trump expecting to speak, people think that he is going to announce that if he becomes president, he will have the United States of America hold Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. So basically all that means is just have the United States of America holding Bitcoin. And yes, the United States of America already does hold Bitcoin. The reason why they already hold Bitcoin is because anytime they confiscate Bitcoin from any type of entity, they hold on to it, which whatever, it just is what it is. You know, they confiscated from Silk Road and any types of things that happen. But it would be essentially in a different aspect because US would just be holding it essentially as a hedge because we hold petroleum and oil and gold and whatever else, okay? So what would that do price-wise? There was an article posted in Cointelegraph, and they had an analyst on, and that analyst said that President Trump coming out and stating that Bitcoin will be held as a strategic reserve as the United States government as a whole would be bullish short term because people would get excited, people would start buying, they would just, lose their minds. Because anytime we get an announcement, the market reacts because of human emotions and psychology. But he said long term, price wouldn't sustain because the reality of America actually holding Bitcoin as a reserve was like 10-1. That it probably will not happen. And again, if that is something that does happen, it's going to take a lot of time to get pushed through because anytime you want to create laws or bills or different things, especially when we're talking about America's financials, it takes a lot of time to do. So I can understand that aspect. But at the same time, also next week, the CBOE stated that the Ethereum spot ETF is set to go live on July 23rd, which is Monday. And a lot of us have been waiting for that. We're very excited about it because a lot of us hold Ethereum. And if that does happen, we can expect Ethereum price to go up. But how high will it go? Well, first, something that we talked about on the show before is when the Bitcoin spot ETF finally was listed, we got a really nice price pump on that announcement. Well, when it got approved. But after it was listed, price didn't go straight up to the moon. And one of the reasons why is Grayscale's trust had to convert over to the Bitcoin, from a Bitcoin trust to a Bitcoin spot ETF. And that takes time, therefore they're selling. So with Ethereum, we might not see price appreciate over time, and that's okay because most of us are patient investors. Most of us understand the risk. Most of us also understand that number just doesn't go straight up, okay? So with that being said, 5 Ethereum spot ETFs are set to be listed pending regulatory effectiveness. That's another thing too, is we have to wait really for the SEC to sign off, even though we're approved, which is again, a freaking hot mess. But anyways, it's going to be Fidelity, Invesco, Galaxy, VanEck, and Franklin. Also, with that being said, current price action right now, Bitcoin is currently trading at $66,800. In order, me personally, bullish would be that we sustain above $65,000. But really, the fact that we're back in that range between $60,000 to $74,000, great, fantastic. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ethereum, we're currently trading at $3,500. We got that close yesterday above $3,400, which I said was super, super, super important. Sorry, we got some cars over there. And then as far as Solana goes, we're currently trading at $169. And just as long as we're just trading above $157, which is wonderful, fantastic. I love it. I love it. I love it. No, are we trading at 100? I might have messed that up. I don't have my phone open. Either way, those are some of my larger holdings. And if those of you that bought Solana on the dip, congratulations. And again, Solana's ETF was not approved yet, but they did apply for it. So we'll kind of see how that works out. But either way, it's a very exciting week next week. We have Bitcoin Nashville 2024. There's always a lot of exciting announcements that come out of that do impact the market in a positive way in some cases. Plus, we have the Ethereum spot ETFs going live. Bitcoin's trading at what? $67,000, which again is absolutely bullish. My personal opinion, anything under $100,000 is bullish. So this next week, we could see a lot of excitement, a lot of price action, a lot of fun things happening. But I think that it's important to talk about preparing. So we always should prepare for a bullish and a bearish scenario. As most of you guys know, that's what the O Army does. But I just wanted to let you guys know some of the things that I read and what's going on. And I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. It's actually super hot outside already. I don't even know how hot it is, but it feels like it's like 80 something and it's not even 10 a.m. So I'm gonna go get ready, go have breakfast, get ready for the pool. Might do a little bit thrift shop today. We will see. But anyways, you guys, sending you love and light. Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, all of that jazz. Have a great weekend, and always, always, always take a look at your portfolios. Come up with a plan, all that jazz. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow around 10 a.m. taking altcoin requests, the meme coins, the degenerate stuff, and then I got a video dropping for you guys at 3:30 p.m. PST, I think, today. Anyway, send y'all love and light. Bye-bye.